So what's going on, guys? Today, what I'm going to do is break down a chicken. So, very nice and fresh chicken, bought right here at the local supermarket. It's a little different here in Greece because everything is so damn fresh. All right, so I'm going to be breaking it down and I'm going to be removing the breasts from the bone because I like to save the carcass for boiling it off and making fresh chicken broth. So what you want to do is start with a very sharp knife. That is very important when doing this process. Then you're going to run your fingers down here and you're going to feel the bone. What you're going to want to do is cut on either side of the bone. Don't try to go through the bone unless you want to chop this thing completely in half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on this side. You run the blade all the way down and you're going to be running it on the bone the whole time. This way, you're going to be pulling off as much meat as possible and not leaving it behind. And don't get discouraged if you leave some behind. It'll be great for the broth. And then you just continue all the way through. Cutting the skin so it doesn't stick. And bingo, a perfect, beautiful breast. I did leave a little bit behind here, but if you were to feel, there is the bone right there. So take off a leg. You see how wide open it is. Just follow it all the way down. You're going to be taking the leg and the thigh off at the same time. Now, when you get down to the bone, don't chop through it. Just bang. Makes it so easy. Then you get inside the bone. Bingo. Nice and simple. You want to do the same thing with the wing. So I was feeling in there for the bone, the connection. Boom. Nice and simple. Now you can start with the leg instead of just the breast. Running right down. See, nice and open. Crack it. You see the connection right there? Make sure you don't get the ass stuck in there. And again, the wing. See, there's the bone. Once you snap the bone, it's just cutting off the meat. Now, not many places in the United States come with the neck bone. Here in Greece, it does come with the neck bone. It makes it nice and easy for the broth to get better flavor. Now all that's left is this one breast. A lot of chefs would have taken all the legs off first, the wings, and then the breast, which to me makes no sense because it gives you more stability. See, I left some of the bone in there. And you don't want that on the breast, so you just slice it right off. You can go ahead and just shove this right in here. So what we're left with is the 2 breasts, the 2 legs and thighs, 2 wings, a carcass, and the neck, which we're going to use for broth. And I mean, if you see here, there's a lot that I'm going to be getting from the broth. But we have literally perfect pieces right here. Okay, well, I hope this video helped out some of you at home. Have a great day.